Ride of a Lifetime, the epic roller coaster story by Read and Grow with Stories. Today is August 16th. Do you know what day it is? It's National Roller Coaster Day. Today we're diving into a story that shows us how roller coasters were born by Read and Grow with Stories. Hey, that's us. Let's dive in. Have you ever wondered how the very first roller coaster was born? Let's take a ride back in time. Back in the 1800s, the first wooden roller coasters thrilled visitors with their simple yet daring tracks. Inventors used their creativity and wooden beams to craft tracks that would make hearts race. Imagine the thrill as riders took their very first daring ride, screaming with excitement and fear. The roller coaster quickly became the star attraction, drawing crowds from near and far. And then came the first thrilling turns and drops, making hearts pound and screams echo. Onlookers couldn't believe their eyes, cheering and gasping as the riders zoomed by. Soon roller coasters became cultural icons, featured on posters and drawing crowds to every park. From simple wooden tracks, roller coasters evolved into steel giants, pushing the limits of thrill and imagination. But this is just the beginning. Wait until you see the most extreme roller coasters of today. Wood, steel, magnetic. As time went on, roller coasters transformed from wooden tracks to steel giants, zooming faster than ever before. Innovators pushed the limits, introducing loops and suspended tracks that flipped riders upside down. Some roller coasters now reach breathtaking heights and break speed records. Thrill at a whole new level. Modern technology brought virtual reality and interactive experiences. The ride is now more than just a track. Hold on tight, twists, drops, and insane speeds make every ride unforgettable. From Japan to America and Europe, theme parks showcase the most epic roller coasters for thrill seekers. And the future? Hyperspeed, 360-degree loops. Roller coasters are reaching the edge of imagination. Today, roller coasters are engineering marvels, suspended, hybrid, and faster than you could ever imagine. In Japan, theme parks push limits with insane loops and gravity-defying drops. In America, giants soar to world-breaking heights and speeds, leaving riders breathless. Some rides now blend virtual reality, letting you dive into worlds beyond imagination while soaring through the air. Feel the ultimate rush. Twisting, turning, and plunging at hyperspeeds. And the adventure doesn't stop here. The roller coasters of tomorrow will defy everything you thought was possible. Imagine riding the most insane roller coaster ever. What would your ultimate thrill ride look like? Comment below and share your dream coaster with us. The end.